beer. It goes fantastic with barbecue, chicken, pork, brisket, you name it. But what if it was in a sauce? Hi, I'm Dusty and welcome to our series of 2-minute barbecue sauces you can make at home. Now, if you're new here, these sauces are probably going to take a little bit more than 2 minutes to make, but we're only going to take 2 minutes of your time to make these sauces. And today I'm going to be making an IPA or beer-based barbecue sauce, and I think this one's going to be really good for summer. So let's start the timer and get into it. So the ingredients, you'll need 1 can of IPA or your favourite beer, some hops, but these are optional, 1 jalapeno, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red onion, an orange or red grapefruit, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, and freshly ground pepper. Take your jalapeno, cut off the top. Slice it and remove the seeds if you don't want too much heat. Then dice it up nice and fine and put it to the side. Grab your onion, top and tail it, slice it, dice it and put it to the side with your jalapeno. Light your fire to medium-high and heat up a good slug of oil in a saucepan. Teleport the jalapeno and the onion to the saucepan and saute until soft. Shed a tear as you pour the beer into the saucepan. When you're both settled down, crush in the garlic and bring it back to a simmer. Okay, this is optional unless you're a massive beer geek. Add some hops, not too many, 5 is plenty. Drop in a half cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a cup of apple cider vinegar. Slosh in 2 cups of ketchup and give it a good stir. Now to balance the hops, grate in the zest of an orange. This will just make it zesty. And finally, extract the juice of an orange and give it a good stir. All that's left now is to simmer it down until it's the thickness you like. Stop the clock. I just quickly want to tell you about these hops that I got from Moffat Beach Brewing. Now, these are Cascade hops and they're really strong. The boys were telling me that 500 grams of these hops makes 2,000 litres of this beer, so they're pretty potent. Now, I put 5 in my sauce. That was pretty strong, but you know what? You can get away with just using your can of IPA or beer in your sauce and it'll taste tremendous. So let's get back into it. Start the clock again. The sauce is reduced by about 1/3 and it's got a really nice consistency. Next, I'm going to strain the sauce through a sieve to remove the larger chunks and any solid hops that are left over. A mouthful of those won't be too good at all. Get a load of that awesome smell. I'll finish by pouring it into a jar and I'm done, so stop the clock. Now for the taste test. Smells of sauce, but it also smells like an IPA, so let's see how it goes. Definitely got that hop flavour and that beer flavour and the IPA coming through, but balanced out nicely with that citrus. And just enough heat off the jalapeno to bring it some zing. This is a really fresh, bright sauce. I think this is going to go really well on fish. I can see myself dipping prawns into this while I'm having an IPA by the pool this summer. A few hours after I had my initial taste testing, I put my sauce on some brisket and it just wasn't hitting the mark. It was a little bit too bitter, the hops were too powerful, so I put it in the fridge for 3 days just to let it sit and mellow, and my gosh, did it make a difference. The sauce has come out really well balanced, it's got a nice amber colour to it, the hops have evened out, and it's just a great tasting sauce now. So I made some extra footage and I've got some great shots of that sauce on some brisket, some chicken wings and some pulled pork, and that's going to come up next. But before we do, I just want to thank you for watching today, and if you've liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, a subscribe and share it out on social media. We just want to make more videos, and the more we can share it, it'd be great. So thanks again and enjoy this sauce, and man, did I enjoy it too.